Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome. In this lesson I will show you how to create a new SvelteKit project. The first thing that I need to do is open up a new terminal window, and I'm going to navigate it to the desktop, since this is where I want my SvelteKit project to be located. Then I'm going to use the npm create svelte command, followed by the @latest flag to ensure my project uses the latest version of Svelte. And finally, after, I will enter a name for my project, but you can choose whatever name you want. If it prompts you about installing some additional packages to run this command, simply enter Y for yes and press enter. Then it's going to ask me which template I'd like to use. The first one is a demo app showcasing various SvelteKit features. The second one is a barebones skeleton with minimum boilerplate stuff. And the last one is for creating libraries for SvelteKit. I'm going to choose the skeleton project. The next question is about using TypeScript. You can see that both JS doc comments and standard TypeScript are both supported. I don't want to use TypeScript for this project, so I'll select no. The next question is about enabling some additional configurations in case you need them. I will enable ESLint and prettier by using the spacebar, and once I'm happy with the selection, I'll press enter. After the project is created, I'm going to navigate inside of it. Since SvelteKit doesn't automatically install the required packages, I will need to run npm install before the project can be started. After that's done, I can now run the project in development mode by using the npm run dev command. You can see that the project is running on localhost port 5173, and you can also check it out in the browser to make sure everything is okay.